Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and today I'm planting my new hellebores. Spring is a great time to shop for hellebores because you can see what color they are, how tall they get, and it's just a nice time to lay them out in the garden. I'm planting mine under this tree. This is a linden tree. It doesn't have its leaves on it yet, so they're going to get some sun for the next couple weeks, but it is pretty shady actually for most of the rest of the year once the tree canopy above them fills out. But yeah, I think they're going to be really beautiful. They are nice on a slope because on a slope the taller ones that tend to droop a little bit, you're getting a little bit of a vantage point if you put them up on a slope a little bit. So it's nice to look at them when they have a little bit of a slope. This is about the biggest slope we have in our yard. So I'll put the tall one that I have right up here by the tree, and then I have some seedling hellebores. So I have no idea what color they're going to be. The seedling hellebores self-seed really easily, and they hybridize themselves into all kinds of lovely combinations, but you don't really know what you're going to get until they bloom. So I won't know until next year probably what some of them look like. Planting hellebores in the spring is a bit like planting peonies in the spring, in that you want to get the depth right. You don't want to plant them too deep. So just look at the soil line that they're planted in. You should see where the leaves are coming out from the crown, and just make sure that you're lining up the soil line of the plant that you've purchased with the soil line in your garden, and the deeper is not better. So this bed is under a deciduous tree. This is a linden tree, and it's a nice place to plant hellebores. First of all, because it does get some shade. There's no shade really right now in the afternoon because none of the leaves have come out. And so for a few more weeks, these hellebores will be getting sun, but it's not that, harsh July, August sun. So it's nice for them to get some sun, but there's obviously a limit on that. So when these trees leaf out in the hotter months, they'll keep these from getting roasted. So that will be good. So I do like to plant them under deciduous trees. Slopes are nice too, like if you can find a slope to put them on. Some of them, like this one here, you can see it's kind of got floppy blooms. They kind of go like this. So if you put them higher up on a slope, that's kind of a nice viewpoint to look at the blooms from. The seedling ones, I don't know what the blooms are going to look like, so I'll just have to plant them and find out. It might be a year or two before I really know what they look like. So the seedling ones are definitely a lot more affordable, but they're a bit of a gamble, and they definitely require patience. So we'll see what those look like. Okay, let's get planting. So there, they're all in. I've given them a quick watering, but I will turn on the drip irrigation too later on. The drip irrigation is really nice for getting plants established, so I do recommend that. But yeah, they'll get sun for a few more weeks here until this tree leaves out. And then hopefully next year we'll have quite a few blooms in this area. I'm really looking forward to it. If you like these kind of gardening videos, please subscribe. There's a button somewhere. And that just tells YouTube to suggest more videos like this to you. And that would make my day. So thanks so much for planting with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.